In this video, we will show you how to assemble this table so elegant and suitable for your decoration. In this video, we will use 4 different types of screws, and we will tell you in each step the number of the one you have to use. First step, we will need the leg of the table, metal plate, screw number 4, 3 washers. We put the washers inside the screws. As we can see, in the table leg, we have 3 holes that must match the 3 holes in the metal plate, as we can see in the image below. Once in place, we will put the screws that I have shown before and start screwing. Second step. Then we turn it over, and we are going to place the base of the table, as we can see in the image below. Keep in mind that all the holes of the base have to match, and you cannot release it until the corners are screwed, as it could fall off. Once in place, we ensure that the holes of both pieces coincide as shown in the image. Then we will use the screws with the number 3 and screw them in. Now, we start screwing the 4 corners with the screw that has the number 1. Third step. Finally, we take the table board and turn it upside down. As we can see, it has 2 holes, which will have to coincide with the holes in the metal plate, as shown in the image. We put the washer inside the screws that have the number 2. And place inside the holes as shown in the picture and start screwing. Final result.